Hey everyone, Jacob Jameson here with another DocuGraphics tip. And this time what I'm going to show you how to do is set your printer defaults to print double-sided or single-sided if you prefer, but you can definitely achieve significant cost reduction through default double-sided printing, especially if you print a lot of color. So first thing we have to do is access our machine's control panel, the centerware. We type our IP address in the browser bar. If you don't have that information, you go to your machine and press machine status. It'll display it there. It'll say IPv4 address. So we hit enter. And what we do now is we go to properties. So what we have to do is log in. Your default user ID here is going to be the same as the one I have, admin. And your default password is 1111 for the number ones. So we get logged in here, and then we're going to go to services. Under services, we're going to go to printing and down to general. So we scroll down here to the bottom and we see defaults and policies, and see right now we're set to default to single-sided, so we would change that to double-sided. And we're set to default to black and white. We could change that, but anyway, so we hit apply, and this is very important. Make sure you hit apply or it will not save. Alright, so now we're default to print double-sided. Now copying is a different setup, so if you want to make it default to copy double-sided, you have to change that separately under the copy menu here. Under setup, you'll see two-sided copy, and you would want to hit two and two-sided, hit apply. And that's it. You've just set your machine up to print double-sided by default, and you could change it back to single-sided the same way if you needed to. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.